Transferring money between accounts is quick and easy with CCB Mobile Banking app. To make a transfer, first log in to your mobile banking. The transfer option can be found either in the shortcut menu or in the sidebar on the right side of the screen. Once you have clicked transfer, click the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now you can select which account you want the money to come from. Next, select the account you want to transfer money into. Now you can enter the amount, date to send the transfer, and even select if it is a one-time transfer or a reoccurring transfer. You can also add an optional description to help you identify the transfer. You will then get a transfer confirmation message telling you the amount transferred, which accounts were used, the transfer date, the trace number. You can then make another transfer or go back to the account screen. If you make a scheduled transfer, your scheduled transfer will show up in the transfer list along with their dates. If you have any questions or problems with account transfers, please call us at 307-358-5300 and we will be happy to assist you further.